what's wrong, but something isn't right. Don't feel I belong in the light. Passion has gone and love's taken.
Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. May package ako dito. Mag-open tayo ng package. I know what it is already, pero pakita ko sa inyo kung ano laman nito. And po, let's go and open this package with me. Thank you kasi kita niyo. Hanapin ko sana ang weakness ng kanyang tape. Wow. Pinakage nila ng mabuti. Ayan. Libreng hand sanitizer. Giving you free hand sanitizer. So, mag-carry out. At saka, sinulit. I don't know what it is, but they're giving you this one too. It's tying and stuff, but looks pretty. It's pink. Okay. Actually, ito siya. Ayan. Ito siya. Ito yung inside the package. Stove siya. Ayan, portable stove. Portable stove po siya. Single lang siya. Ayan po siya. Ayan po, laman ang ating package. Kasi may socket dito. At ito po ay parang mini kitchen po siya. Ayan po, meron po siyang skylight. May CR po dyan, tsaka may lalagyan ng mga gamit at mga walis at kung ano-ano. And that's the door to the house, utility room. Tapos may yung link room dyan, na kwan. Tapos yung storage room. Ito dito, para may space siya. Kaya pwede siyang i-extra kitchen. Kasi may sink eh. Kaya yan, kasi yung isa is it gets funny when I cook some smelly food in the kitchen. That's why I make my own kitchen. Ayan, ito yung kanya, ang ganda niya. Induction siya, induction sa portable stoves. Ito yung model niya, ito yung tsura niya, oh. Ayan po siya. Ayan, meron siya ditong, meron siyang max. Tapos yung minuto, kung gusto nyo mataas yung kwan, oh. Tapos ito, kung i-lower it down, lower the heat down, I think that one is to put the heat up. And this is the power on. Select, oh okay. This is how you select the temperature, time, and power. And this one is the on and off button. Okay, that's good then. And it says here, surface remain hot after use. Please do not touch. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. Ayan, maganda siya. Looks nice actually. Okay, nice. It's pretty actually. It's not big. It's just one stove. And if you want 2 stoves, you probably just get 2 or another one with it. And that's a UK plug as well. And it's the sea fitted with 13A views. Okay, it's good. It looks good in here. It's good. Libre tayong hand sanitizer, which is nice. Quite cute of them. Ito yung box niya. Yes, you got a leaflet there as well, and you can actually look around the leaflet to instructions check of how to use it. Here we go. You have to read this leaflet and the usage of the voltage as well, or how much electricity that it actually uses. And this is the instruction of how you use it. Okay. 2000 watts cooking hob. Wow, that's a lot. Yeah, I'm actually just gonna use this as to cook my noodles, smelly noodles. And then I got my own sink in a way. And if you want to store any food in here, I could actually store some food because this got a storage room in here as well. And some plates that you want to put in here. Okay. Yan, kung magaway yun ang asawa mo, at least may spray ka na kitchen. Ayan, pwede yung mga sauces, stuff dyan, mga pans, paano mo gamitin mo ba magwan? Uses for pans and saucepan. O, ayan. Hindi ko alam ko para sa ano to. Ayan o. Ang ganda naman niya. Kulay pink pa. Okay, brighter pink. Ayan po. Ito po nga ang ating bukas sa ating package. Ito siya. Nilalagay ko sa mga sa kuhan. Mag-start ako mag-logo daan. Okay. Let's try if this actually works. Ayan o, sit na siya. Okay, try natin po. Ayan lang siyang buttons. Ayan. O, di ba? May light siya, day. May light. Okay, lights on. Masakit. Looks cool. Let's got this thing in here. Okay, let's see. That's what's actually on my box. What's in the package I got. We got it already. And I'm gonna start cooking tomorrow. I guess I have a stove now para sa aking sarili, para makaluto ako sa mga mabaho pa, mga pagkain. Mabaho mga pagkain kasi ayaw minsan nang luluto ako dun sa main kitchen namin. Kasi naamoy niya, kasi open plan yun. Kumbaga open yung kitchen namin. Eh, naamoy niya kasi may mga sensitive nose kasi siya. Yung ilong niya, kailangan niya ng palitan. Kung pwede lang palitan yung ilong niya, eh pwede palitan. Kaso hindi niya mapapalitan yung ilong na yan, eh is poor na rin. Pinanganak siyang ilong. Pero, nang sensitive yung kanya, yung pangamoy niya, may mga tao kasi mga ganyan, mga sensitive sa mga amoy, mga bawang amoy, diba? Kaya, have to, ako yung mag-a-adjust. Kasi nga, ayaw niya yung mga pagkain na niluluto ko. Kaya yung pagkain na niluluto ko para din sa kanya na ayaw niya yung amoy. Ewan ko, kumakain naman siya. Pero ayaw niya yung amoy. Ano daw yun? Pero anyway, yan yung binili. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa kanya kasi pinila niya ako ng stove. O, diba? Kaalangan ako, kung bibili niyan, eh, siya yung adjustan ko. O, diba? Ayan, adjust, and then adjust, got something. He adjust, and I just got some soup. Ayan po, I hope this video you'll find it interesting, and probably if you're planning to get some separate kitchen at mga sensitive din ang ilong yung mga asawa, or wife, your husband is sensitive with smell, probably have to cook outside. And if it's not possible, you probably need to pack your bag and then leave the house. Get some divorce paper. If you're married, but we're not married in a way, that's why it's easy for me to pack the bag and just go home, okay? Go home to my mama. But I'm far away from home and I have to eat as well. See, you know, some Asian food is quite smelly, that's why it's good. It's nice to have my own stove. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching and hope you like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Pag hindi naman interesado sa aking mukha, ay pwede na hindi mag-subscribe. Magsilip na lang po kayo sa aking palabas at kung may oras po kayo. Salamat po sa nanonood, sa nanonood pa ng aking mga video. Salamat din po sa hindi nanonood. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para notify kayo sa aking upcoming videos. Na you'll be notified with all my upcoming videos. And thank you so much. Bye bye. Love, love, love. Ingat lagi. God bless. Bye. Bye.
Fly, things just feel heavy.